In your opinion, what is more important, beauty or brains? And why? So sa inyong opinion, ano ang mas mahalaga? Ganda or talino? At bakit?
I believe that beauty is very important and it is a privilege these days. But I believe that brain is something that will fuel us to achieve greater things in life. It is something that will never be robbed from us, and it will radiate on how we carry ourselves in front of other people because intelligence is beauty. Thank you.
Tourism is a major industry in Palawan. How would you ensure that tourism development in Palawan does not harm the environment and at the same time benefit local communities? O itagalog pa yan, ha? Ang turismo ay isang malaking industriya sa Palawan. Paano mo masisiguro na sa paglago ng turismo sa Palawan ay hindi nasisira ang ating kapamilya at nakikinabang din ang mga local na komunidad?
I think by prioritizing sustainable development. As a tourism graduate, I firmly advocate in prioritizing sustainability. Because by this, we can mitigate the negative impact of tourism while maintaining the balance between economic growth and environmental conservation, making Palawan a desirable destination for tourists while safeguarding its natural beauty for years to come. Thank you.
With a rise of misinformation and fake news, how can young Palaweños distinguish truth from lies and falsehood, especially on social media? So, sa pagpalipana ng mga mali at impormasyon at fake news ngayon, lalo na sa social media, sa iyong palagay, paano matutukoy o mahihiwalay ang mga kabataang Palaweño ang katotohanan sa kasinungalingan? The rise of misinformation and fake news is imminent nowadays. I think in order for us to be able to become barriers of this misinformation is that we should research more and gather more information from reliable resources. And I think as Palaweños, it is our responsibility to promote information that are true and valid. Question is, how do you respond to critics who argue that beauty pageants degrade women? And how do you ensure that those pageants promote a more empowering representation of women? Paano mo sasagutin ang mga kritiko na nagsasabing ang mga beauty pageants daw ay nagpapababa sa pagkatao ng mga kababaihan? At paano mo matitiyak na ang mga beauty pageants ay magsusulong at magpapataas ng pagkatao ng mga kababaihan?
As a woman and as a beauty queen, I represent the 80,000 Aranas in this pageant. With that, I am going to explain to everyone by using my voice that being in this pageant, with the unwavering support of my Aranas and my Palaweños, my voice is
Your question is, Palawan's civil government is now 122 years old. In your opinion, what is the most pressing problem that our Bulacan province is facing today? Ang gobyerno civil ng Palawan ay 122 taong gulang na. Sa iyong palagay, anong pinakamalubhang problema ang hinaharap ng ating minamahal na lalawigan sa kasalukuyan?
I believe that we at Palawan we face a lot of problems, except climate change, we face power shortage, but rather than that, I think the most problem that we are facing right now as Palawenas is the West Philippine Sea, because it is a battle of territory, and I believe it is provoking war. And as a Filipino, West Philippine Sea belong to the Philippines, and within the Philippines territory, thus it is ours. Thank you.
In your opinion, what tourist attraction in Palawan should a tourist visit first and why? Sa iyong palagay, anong magandang tanawin sa Palawan ang dapat mong puntahan ng isang turista at bakit?
Para po sa akin, ang pinakaunang dapat puntahan ng turista ay ang aming munisipyo na Warren. At ang kanyang talakayan nila allocate sa Pabigyan Court. It is untouched tourist attraction at ito ay nakikita ng napakaganda sa Green Rivers at ito ay isa sa ilang malalaki ng mga Warren. Salamat po at maraming
Thank you so much, Sharon. Palawan is home to various endemic species of wildlife. What policies or initiatives would you propose to protect and conserve our rich biodiversity? Naku, paano yun sa Tagalog? Sandali lang ha. Ang Palawan ay tahanan ng mga kakaibang lahi ng buhay ilan. Ano-anong mga polisya at inisyatibo ang iyong minumungkahi para maprotektahan at Gosh! Tweety, come here. Say it. Mapaalagaan ang ating mamayan at samut-saring buhay ilan. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. People themselves are the destroyer of our environment and also the home of this endemic species. I will implement an initiative to show enough love, care, and concern to our environment because we have only one planet and we have to preserve the beauty and we have also to protect our environment at all costs because our life depends on it. And we as citizens, we have the right to live in a balance and healthy ecology, in a balance of the harmony of nature. Thank you very much.
Mental health issues have become prevalent among the youth. What course of action or advice would you offer to help those young individuals experiencing mental health issues? Ang issue ng mental health ay isa sa pinakamahirap na sa mga kabataan ngayon. Anong hakbang o payo ang iyong ibibigay sa mga kabataang nakakaranas ng issue kaugnay sa mental health?
I would tell them to not listen what they say because each of us is entitled of our own opinion. So I would tell them to believe in themselves, believe and embrace their own uniqueness because each of us possesses qualities that makes us one of a kind. By embracing who we are, we as a person, we can accept what we have made for today. Thank you.
What do you think is the most important quality of a Medyanang Palawan should possess? Ano sa palagay mo ang pinaka-importanteng katangian mayroong dapat ang isang Medyanang Palawan?
As a beauty queen, I believe that Medyanang Palawan is someone with a heart and someone with a purpose. I grew up with a humble home where at a very young age I already experienced working. But that doesn't stop me to becoming what I am right now. And that is what I want to tell everyone. I want to inspire them that whatever you are facing right now and the challenges that you have, as long as we believe in ourselves, we can have what we what we have in our lives, and that is someone should we have. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Because of climate change, Palawan has seen an increase in the number of typhoons affecting its various municipalities. What measures would you advocate to improve disaster preparedness and resilience in Palawan? Dahil sa climate change, ang Palawan ngayon ay nakakaranas ng mas maraming bagyo na umaapekto sa iba't ibang munisipyo. Anong mga hakbang sa iyong isusulong para mas lalong mapabuti ang kahandaan at nakatagan ng Palawan sa panahon ng mga kalamidad?
In my knowledge, Palawan has been through enough when typhoon Odette came here. My advice or my plans for this, strategies when it comes to improving our precautions when it comes to typhoons, and we really need to teach other people, we really need to educate and have seminars, especially in Palawan, that is going through drastic changes.